Blockchain right now is something that is people are exciting today, but actually the fact is blockchain has been born for a long time. The name of the blockchain was actually coming from the code of the Bitcoins. For the 1.0 generation, which is the first generation of the blockchain, what essentially in the blockchain is a simple ledger that records transactions. So at this time, the blockchain, the whole purpose of the blockchain is basically try to use for implement the cryptocurrencies. I would say, for example, Bitcoin itself is a blockchain, and Bitcoin is also a protocol that run on Bitcoin blockchain. And Bitcoin itself is also application that is powered by Bitcoin. Yeah, that's 1.0. The 2.0, I just mentioned a little bit the Colourcoin. I would say the Colourcoin is the first 2.0 blockchain, because at the time people are trying to think, can the blockchain used for something else other than the cryptocurrency? So that's how Colourcoin come into. And then eventually quickly, so Ethereum is coming up. If there is somebody who read the Ethereum's white paper, you might be able to see Ethereum in the white paper. They say they're inspired by the Colourcoin. For the blockchain 2.0, what's major different is other than the ledgers that record transactions, there's coming into structured data, they're coming into the code. So that basically make the blockchain be able to represent something other than the cryptocurrencies. So today, when we talk about Ethereum, everybody will think about a smart contract, which is basically the code that run on top of the ledgers. Yeah, so for anybody who have used the Ethereum, who have used the Bitcoins, and as the CryptoKitties that you just mentioned, whoever have played that, you will realize that blockchain is a great idea. However, if you really need to use it, it's actually pretty painful and pretty frustrated to understand. So to be able to make the blockchain, that is something that is friendly for the consumer, the blockchain itself is not just enough. So there's need a lot of applications that make user to realize that this is something that is really useful. And the applications need to be really user-friendly for the users.